Welcome to Vlogmas 2023, everybody. But things are a little different. I'm actually starting Vlogmas early this year. So today is November 20th. You guys are gonna get these all on a regular schedule, so you'll be seeing this on December 1st. There's stuff happening later in December that's gonna get in the way of Vlogmas. So I wanna still do it, but for me to do it the way I wanna do it, I need to start early. And it's truly just gonna be vlog style. You guys are just gonna see what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis. Some days are gonna be pretty boring. Like, I think today's gonna be pretty boring, to be honest. Other days might be more exciting. We'll be at the booth, we'll be decorating, going around and doing stuff, but just a true vlog. You and me, baby, for the next 25 days. Today is Monday, and we are actually leaving to go down to Georgia for Thanksgiving on Wednesday. There's some things that I wanna do to get ready for that. I would like to clean the whole house. The dogs need a bath. Obviously, we've got a pack, and I would like to take one more little load of inventory over to the booth and make sure that's all gussied up before the holiday weekend. Today, I would like to give the dogs their bath. I would like to clean the bathroom. I need to finish pricing that little stash of inventory that we're gonna take over to the booth. I need to start laundry. I don't know, I feel on top of my stuff. But I haven't started cleaning yet, and that's gonna be the thing. And the dogs are definitely gonna fight me on this bath. So fun times are ahead, but I need to eat something first, and I'm late on that because it is already 2. Domino's leftovers, the lunch of champions. I am on a pizza kick here recently. If Mike is watching this right now, he's laughing at me because he knows, this is what he's saying. He's like, it's not about the pizza, it's about the cheesy bread. And he's not wrong. I don't know what is wrong with me recently, but I love me some cheesy bread. And he's just like, isn't it just pizza minus the sauce, but then you dip it in the marinara so it's pizza? And I'm like, I don't know why it's different. It just is. Maybe it's more garlicky, more bready. Maybe that's what I like about it. He's making fair points, but I'm still gonna order the cheesy bread with the pizza. Somebody watching right now agrees with me.
Sit down here in the storage room and they can sit in a corner of your apartment. You don't have to park them on the street, which means they're always where you need them when it's time to leave in the morning.
Well, before I clean the bathroom, I wanna give these dogs a bath. But before I give them a bath, I want to run them. I want to get some of that energy out, especially this one. That one right there. All the energy. Sadie, where's your ball? Woo! What a good catch. This dog is getting way too smart. She knew immediately what was up. It's okay, so. She just hates being cold. Let's get you some warm water. Can you shake? Give me a good shake. Just one good shake. Come on, give it to me. Come on. Sadie would have shaken 15 times by now. You can do it. Just one good shake. I'm gonna get you. Oh, you got so tubby. Okay. It's always hard to corral the second one after the first one. We'll get done quick, huh? We'll get done fast. Oh, he's okay. You're okay. Oh my goodness. You're crazy. Now she's got the zoomies. The other one just collapses in fear. And this one gets the zoomies. God, you can put like an inch of water on the floor, girl. Ah! Let me get that Billy. Okay, go. Let's go check on Zuzu. She abandoned her towel, but look at her shivering. Look at those shivers, they almost look real. Oh, have you ever seen a colder puppy? Oh, the patheticness is real. Let me get you all bundled. Is that better? All right, Zadie. Are you gonna let me go clean the bathroom in peace now? I bet you're gonna take a great nap. Dusty. We're eating dinner already. It's like a take on beef stroganoff, right? Is that what you would say? You were going for beef stew.
I was trying to, but I put too much flour in there, so
I think it's gonna be good. And then we're doing some pasta too. Who plays tonight? The Chiefs and
Eagles, the biggest game of the year.
Yes.
It's like twice a year.
I've gotten into football, guys. Yes, you should be concerned. I've been following it Most of this all season?
Maybe you were like a month late, but
Yeah, it was probably a month late. Ooh, you can't
she
see
knows
me
more
very
than
well.
me though.
No, I don't think that's true.
She knows all. Look, if you want gambling advice, ask Amanda. She knows all the stats.
No, you just look at ESPN app. That's all I gotta do.
That's how you gamble.
And it wasn't Taylor Swift that got me into it either. Everybody's gonna accuse me of that.
That is literally the week you got it.
I know. That's why, but it's not the reason. So I'm gonna come get you. Pick you up at 3:30ish.
Yep, and I'm probably going to be working some overtime. I'll have to work early tomorrow, and probably I'll do the same thing Wednesday, and maybe I can get off early too.
Okay.
It's going to be like 8 hours, eight and a half hours. It's going to be over.
So we'll get there at 10. We're gonna shoot for
It's going to be like
11.
it's going to be more like 12, I think, with stops. And plus, we're going through Charlotte at like 6:30. I know, like you never timed it right.
Last time. I
No,
feel like this is
no,
what happened last
no.
time.
That was. Well, yeah, it was because we left late in the day.
You want a spoon or a fork?
Spoon.
We need to watch the Texans highlights from yesterday.
Okay.
I did already watch it, but you need to watch it.
Was it terrible?
No.
I know the result, but.
No. You need to watch it.
So it's just unfortunate interceptions.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay.
You're gonna be
He had
amazed.
like 249 passing
You're gonna
yards
be
in the first half.
amazed by this one touchdown.
Okay.
And then there also is a good sports video that we need to watch.
That's good sports.
And then by that time, is everything ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's just cool. Oh, we're staying at the Airbnb.
And the pass complete. Tank Dell's got it. Near the sideline.
Tank Dell is a
What a
beast.
favorite receiver he's become.
Now you see the Texans come back and spread it back out.
On third down, Boone, by the way, in the backfield. Pass is caught. It's a
Wow.
grab. Sliding
Was
toward
it touch?
the line is Dalton Schultz. Did he get in? He says he did. Touchdown, Texans. Stroud on first down. He was looking downfield. He's going downfield toward the end zone. Down.
Oh my God.
As the Chiefs head coach against his former team, the Eagles. First down. End zone. Picked off.
Get down.
Intercepted.
Football's in full swing. You ready? Front row seat?
Let's go back to the interception. Yeah, good design here by Kansas City. Justin Watson is going to start on the slant, and then he's getting up the field. And Byard, though, he picks it up, and it's a touchdown. You got to pull him to where he's got to run away from Byard to make the play. On first.
Come on, they win.
Chris Jones.
8 yards? 8 yards, really?
Boonham, who does not have a catch either, so there's a big hole at that tight end spot.
Kansas City is good.
Well, Creed Humphrey and Joe Judy right
Look,
here.
I like good
What
teams.
they're able to
I
do
just don't like them being
inside.
good all the time.
And then Pacheco, for him to have the vision and be able to see that hole open up the way that it does, he's
Unless they're
one-on-one on the
Texans.
safety.
And they should win the Super Bowl every year.
Here's Mahomes. In trouble.
God!
Tackle.
Jeez!
And tiptoe down
I
the
can't.
sideline for a positive play to the 11.
That should have been a loss of 7, and he got like 15.
And it turns into somehow a 14-yard run.
14, my bad.
Great effort.
You know your water's
By Fletcher Cox.
Ah!
Some of those staple plays, right? Some of those plays that we're talking about with Dad, great plays, are staple. Joey said, coming off and said, these guys, they make plays. Only keep makes plays.
This is Jim's time shot. And Mike, check. Drew, check. You checking that thing to just check? Double check. We ain't got time.
You can't blur that out. I don't understand. Blur that out. I know.
Get the ball to Swift, but Tranquil makes that play because he had the whole side of the field with no one there. Tranquil's.
I'm going to finish watching the football game and call it an evening. I finished pricing all those clothing items. There's like a jacket and a sweater that I want to try on tomorrow before I price it. Just make sure I don't want it. But tomorrow we definitely need to go to the antique mall and take this stuff over and just make sure everything's good there before I take off for Georgia. I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 1. Sorry if it was kind of boring. That's just, this is life. It's not always exciting. I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.